windows are all icy. Well, we had a cold night last night here. It got down into the teens. I think the low was about 18 or so Fahrenheit. Still quite a bit of snow on the ground out there. Hopefully the ground froze. It was a little muddy and soupy from the rain and snow melting yesterday. And we got clear skies, which is good. So we'll step out. Oh, so bright. Need sunglasses. Yeah, that ground is crusty. It's still pretty frozen. It's good. At least it's not muddy. Beautiful place to wake up. Is this ice here? Looks like it. Yeah, that's ice. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here. There's a breeze, so we're feeling it. But it is such a spectacular view here. It's easy to tolerate the lower temps. Kelly's over there heating up some homemade chicken soup she's gonna bring over. Start her morning out with a nice hot bowl of soup. And hopefully this wind dies down. It's a little breezy up here. Need some help? Our first night here, we got a pretty good snowstorm. It's all starting to melt off. Staying quite cool. Did get down into the teens last night. We got a little fire going outside. And we got the charcoal grill going too, doing up some steaks. So we're gonna try to get dinner cooked up before the sun sets because it gets real cold as soon as the sun goes down. We got just enough wood to get by. There's actually a lot of firewood that have been left at all the camps here, so I've just been collecting that and chopping it up. It's working out real good. Well, the sun's setting pretty quickly here, so we're gonna try to get dinner in before that happens, because it gets cold fast. Kelly's all bundled up. We got the steaks pulled off here. It's time to get them sliced up. We're a little overdone, but I was trying to tend to the fire at the same time, so I was a little distracted. Just gonna get it all sliced up and start digging in. You know, that last bit of sunshine is feeling good. We got the fire nice and stoked up. Having our steak fireside. It never really warmed up too much today. It dropped down into the teens last night, and I think probably only got up to the low 40s today. So maybe time to move on from here soon. All right, well, we're getting geared up to leave our camp here at the Mogollon Rim. This was an awesome place to camp. We've been here about a week. Got a snowstorm our first night here, and it cleared up, and it's just been cool and windy. So we're gonna go ahead and move on, get to some lower elevations. We're up here at about 7,500 feet. It's gonna be cooling off the next few days, and probably will continue to do so, getting down into the mid-30s for a high. Had quite a few days of high in the mid-50s, low 50s, which was nice when it's sunny. But it's just getting a little cool. It was really neat to enjoy this snowstorm and just some nice downtime hanging out in the van around the campfire. Great little spot here. I've heard this place is really busy in the summer, but in the off season, there's nobody here. It's because it's cold. Anyway, we're gonna continue this adventure. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try to move on out of here. We've been keeping an eye on the road. It's pretty icy and slushy. Just doesn't get a lot of sunshine back there. So looks like today's the day. A lot of the puddles have melted. And then it's going to freeze up again the next few days. So I think this is our window, the wise choice to move on out of here. We could probably navigate it and slip and slide around a little bit and still get out, but kind of getting a nudge from the weather today. So we're going to go ahead and take that nudge. We're going to stop through Payson, Arizona. Kelly's got a package to pick up there, probably get some lunch, and then move on towards the Phoenix area and try to find a camp. We're up at about 7,500 feet elevation. Phoenix is down at about 1,500 feet, so it'll be a lot warmer down there. Okay, let's give this road a try. There has been quite a few vehicles going up and down this road, so I'm feeling pretty good about it. Old Chevy G20 came in here the other day with street tires on and did just fine. I'm just going to kind of try to steer around the bad stuff. Yeah, that's fine. Let's try to keep our momentum up a little bit. Yeah, it's a little mushy, but we're doing all right. Plenty of traction. These all-terrain tires on just in time. There's a big ice pit here on the right, so we're going to hang left here. Looks like a vehicle just went through it, though, and broke up all the ice, so I really think we're fine. Well, thank you to whoever left the big pile of firewood on site number 3. Someone left a bunch of firewood behind. I went down and over the course of the week brought armloads of it back to our site, and that kept us warm the whole time we were here. I brought 2 bundles, but we burned that up pretty quick. This section right here was real icy. I was a little concerned about it, but it's melted being in the sunshine here. But a few days ago, I don't think we could have done this without 4-wheel drive. That's the beauty of having a camper van. I'm usually always stocked up for get me by for a good couple weeks. Just wait out the storm. And those of you who may be wondering, we just didn't haphazardly come out here and get snowed on. It was planned. I wanted to have a snow camp. And was watching the weather very closely and knew it would just be an overnight storm and then clear for the whole week after. Would not have come up here if it was going to be snowing for a full week straight. Of course, that can always change. Weather forecasts aren't always right. That is part of the adventure. Okay, we made it out to the main dirt road. Well, we did pass a sign coming in here in the off season. They don't do any maintenance out here. Forest Service doesn't come out to check on people, so you're kind of on your own, taking a little bit of a risk. All right, we made it back to pavement. There's actually a lot of traffic on this road this morning. Surprising. You'll be heading towards Highway 260, heading into Payson, Arizona. Gonna make a stop there and then move on to Phoenix. Probably. Who knows? Anything can happen. Away we go. Okay, here we are. Payson, Arizona. This is just the strip mall part of Payson. And we're gonna head straight for the Filbertos. Kelly's package hasn't arrived yet, so we're gonna try to kill a little time, get ourselves some Mexican food. Now we're gonna head over to the casino here in Payson. Looks like they've got a some sort of sports center that has showers. So we're gonna stop there and take a shower and check out the casino and see if they offer overnight parking. If so, we'll probably overnight there. It's already 3 in the afternoon. It's been getting dark by 5, so we think we're just gonna settle down here for the night and then move in towards Phoenix, Arizona tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Payson's a neat little town, busy. This town accommodates a lot of people that live all around here. We'll see what this casino looks like. Well, the casino is just down the road. I'm going to start by fueling up here. They've got a gas station. And I should probably pop in and check with security if they allow overnight parking at the casino. And then we're going to hunt down this sports center. It's supposed to be around here somewhere in this parking lot. Grab a shower there. Alright, we are all gassed up. And I drive really slow on this van. So I usually get about 14.5 miles per gallon. Average. We're just going to swing around to the other part of the parking lot here and see if what it looks like. Well, there are a lot of semis parked here. That's usually a good sign. I assume this back lot over here would be the place to park. Parking is limited to 72 hours. Well, there we go. We only need 24 hours. All right, well, we're waking up here at the casino in Payson, Arizona. It was really quiet here last night. Couple trucks in here and a couple RVs had pulled in here. They've since already left this morning. But very quiet. Park right next to the sign that says parking is limited to 72 hours. And then the building right over here is actually like a little gym, and they have showers there. You can pay $2 to use the shower. So I'm going to head over and use a shower there. Kelly did that last night. I was too tired, so I'm going to go over this morning. Yeah, these casinos work out really good. This one was super mellow. Sometimes you have to go in and like register with security, but here we just pulled in and everything was fine. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you being here. I just wanted to give a quick update on the January 2022 Quartzsite, Arizona meetup that I'm planning. I will be in Quartzsite, Arizona from January 16th through the 23rd. Those are the exact dates of the annual RTR event. That's the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. If you don't know about that event, you can go over to the Home Alliance on Wheels website. I'll leave a link for that in the description. You can find out more about the event. It's an event that I have attended many, many times in the past years. I think about 8 years ago was the first one I attended. Bob Wells is doing a great thing there, trying to bring nomads together so people can meet like-minded people, learn a lot of things about living on the road and such. It's just a great event for that type of thing. You cannot camp at the event, so I am going to be opening up my camp. This meetup will be provided as a base camp for anyone that wants to attend that event and doesn't really want to camp alone, wants to further that sense of community that we all so much enjoy. So again, that's January 16th through the 23rd. I do not have an exact location. I'm going to kind of wait to see what the Home Alliance on Wheels caravans, what locations they pick. I don't really want to overcrowd some of the spots. Having too many big groups in one area can be a little overwhelming. So I'd like to pick somewhere that's close to the event. Bob has already listed some of the closest places on the website there, like Plumosa Road, the High Jolly Camp area, Dome Rock Road camping area, Skadden Wash, Road Runner. They're all pretty close in the vicinity there. So I'm going to be rolling through Quartzsite here shortly. I'm going to kind of scout out some areas. I've got some friends that are there currently, and they say the numbers are way down. There's really not a lot of people there. Crowds usually don't start showing up till after the new year, so I'm going to keep tabs on that as well, and then I'll be posting a GPS coordinate here through a video, an update video. So that's that. I don't want to drag this on too long. I really hope a lot of you can drop by the camp there. You're welcome to stop by for just a few minutes or camp for a week or whatever you like. I'm going to, again, be doing some more updates on this. Any assistance, anyone out there that wants to kind of help this meetup go off as best as possible, I'm looking for people that can volunteer to bring in firewood for us so we can have a group campfire in the evenings and things like that. So that's that. I really am excited about being able to meet a lot of you that we've been trying to connect for so many years. So I hope to see you guys there. Those of you that can't make it, I'm sure we'll meet up down the road sometime. Take care. Peace.